2025 GMC Hummer EV SUV. The 2025 GMC Hummer EV SUV is a bold and futuristic electric vehicle that redefines rugged luxury. Powered by a massive 200-plus kilowatt-hour Ultium battery, it delivers an estimated range of 314 miles, making it a viable option for both daily drives and adventurous road trips. With dual electric motors producing up to 830 horsepower, this SUV accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, a remarkable feat for its size. The Hummer EV SUV features off-road fake-it technologies like crab walk mode, which allows diagonal movement, and adaptive air suspension for tackling challenging terrains. Inside, the vehicle boasts a high-tech cabin with premium materials, a 13.4-inch infotainment display, and a host of driver assistance features. The expected price starts at $105,000, making it a luxury option for those seeking an adventurous electric SUV. Its aggressive styling, innovative tech, and off-road prowess ensure it stands out in the competitive EV market. 2025 Cadillac Lyriq. The 2025 Cadillac Lyriq exemplifies elegance and advanced technology in the electric SUV segment. Equipped with GM's Ultium platform, the Lyriq offers a robust 102 kilowatt-hour battery, providing an estimated range of 312 miles. The rear-wheel drive model delivers 340 horsepower, while the all-wheel drive version offers enhanced performance with over 500 horsepower. Acceleration is swift, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.6 seconds, and a top speed of 124 miles per hour. The interior is a masterpiece of luxury, featuring a massive 33-inch curved OLED display, premium materials, and a spacious cabin for ultimate comfort. Advanced driver assistance systems like Super Cruise enhance safety and convenience. With an expected starting price of $60,000, the Cadillac Lyriq offers an attractive combination of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. 2025 Chevrolet Equinox EV. Chevrolet's 2025 Equinox EV is designed to make electric mobility affordable and accessible without compromising on features. Powered by a 65 kilowatt-hour battery in its base model, it offers a range of up to 300 miles, with higher trims boasting an 80 kilowatt battery for extended range. The dual-motor all-wheel drive version produces 290 horsepower and achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, while the top speed is around 112 miles per hour. Inside, the Equinox EV features a modern design with a 17-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and a roomy interior. It is equipped with Chevy's Safety Assist Suite, which includes features like lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking. Priced from $33,600, the Equinox EV is a practical and budget-friendly choice for families transitioning to electric vehicles. 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E. The 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E continues to impress with its combination of sporty performance and practicality. Available in several trims, including GT Performance, it features battery options ranging from 70 kilowatt-hour to 91 kilowatt-hour, offering a range of up to 312 miles. The GT Performance Edition produces 480 horsepower and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, with a top speed of 124 miles per hour. Its sleek design and dynamic handling make it a standout in the EV market. Inside, the Mach-E includes a 15.5-inch touchscreen with Ford's Sync 4 system, a spacious cabin, and a variety of advanced safety features. The expected starting price of $45,000 makes it an excellent option for performance-oriented EV buyers. 2025 Chevrolet Blazer EV. The 2025 Chevrolet Blazer EV combines bold design with impressive electric performance. Featuring GM's Ultium battery technology, it offers multiple configurations, with the top trim providing up to 334 miles of range. The SS model delivers 557 horsepower enabling a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4 seconds and a top speed of 130 miles per hour. The Blazer EV's futuristic interior includes a large 17.7-inch touchscreen, augmented reality heads-up display, and a host of driver assistance systems. Its bold exterior styling ensures it stands out on the road. Starting at $44,995, the Blazer EV is a compelling choice for those seeking style, performance, and electric efficiency. 2025 Tesla Model X. The 2025 Tesla Model X remains a benchmark in the luxury EV market. Its dual-motor setup produces up to 670 horsepower in the base version, while the Plaid trim offers a staggering 1020 horsepower. The Model X accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.5 seconds, with a top speed of 155 miles per hour, and provides a range of up to 348 miles. Inside, the minimalist cabin features a 17-inch central touchscreen, a panoramic windshield, and Tesla's advanced autopilot capabilities. Unique Falcon Wing doors and over-the-air software updates enhance its appeal. The expected starting price is $100,000, making it a premium option for performance and technology enthusiasts. 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV epitomizes electric luxury. With a massive 108 kilowatt-hour battery, it delivers a range of up to 339 miles and offers 3 powertrain options, including a 536 horsepower dual-motor setup. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time is around 4.5 seconds, with a top speed of 130 miles per hour. The interior features a stunning 56-inch MBUX hyperscreen, premium materials, and seating for 7. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist are standard. Starting at $110,000, the EQS SUV combines cutting-edge technology with Mercedes business signature refinement. 2025 Rivian R1S. The 2025 Rivian R1S is a rugged yet luxurious electric SUV designed for adventure. Offering a range of 258 to 410 miles depending on the battery configuration, it's powered by quad motors delivering up to 835 horsepower. This setup enables a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 3 seconds and a top speed of 125 miles per hour. The R1S features adjustable air suspension, a spacious interior with sustainable materials, and innovative storage solutions. Advanced off-road capabilities and over-the-air updates make it a versatile and future-ready option. The expected starting price is $78,000, appealing to buyers seeking adventure and luxury in one package.